Here is a hands-on review of the unrevealed Pixel 9 Pro XL in all its glory. A Ukrainian YouTuber named Andro-News.com has managed to get his hands on the new Pixel device, providing a detailed look at the flagship model. It seems there might not be much left to unveil by the time of the August 13 announcement. The phone looks sharp from every angle, and even Google seems to be taking a page out of Apple's book with those flat sides. The camera bump on the back stands out like a little island, prominently showcasing the design. The YouTuber even did a side-by-side comparison with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Pixel 8 Pro, revealing that the Pixel 9 Pro XL is taller than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but not quite as tall as the S24 Ultra. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is definitely stealing the show next to its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro. I will admit, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is definitely taking some major inspiration from the iPhone 14 and 15 in terms of shape and design. But hey, change can be good, right? We all want that satisfying feel in our hands, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems to be promising just that. The front of the phone remains a mystery, keeping us in suspense about the software features and display specs. A little mystery just makes the August 13 launch event more exciting. As for the new Tensor G4 chipset, it's said to be only 15% faster than the G3, lagging behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, Google has managed to significantly improve battery life despite using the same 5050 mAh capacity. The main attraction of Pixel phones has always been their cameras. The Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts an impressive 50MP main lens, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP 5x periscope lens. The front-facing camera has also received a major upgrade, jumping from 10.5MP to 42MP. Despite the familiar camera specs from last year, let's hope the camera optimization has been given a boost for the 9 Pro XL model. Moving on, we also received the official marketing materials for the Pixel 9 series, revealing the software features. The Pixel 9 series is going to focus on AI and the new Gemini Eye features. We also heard that Google will introduce the Pixel Satellite SOS feature, similar to Apple's offering. We hope to learn more about these new additions at the launch event on August 13, where we will see all the Pixel 9 series, including the 9 Pro Fold. So what are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Let me know in the comments section.